Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we'll talk about the problems and weaknesses of Nissan Almera. The idea of Nissan Almera trying to complete an equal terms with the Ford Focus or Volkswagen Golf is a bit like Sterling Moss pitching up at Silverstone, hoping to have a crack at the current Formula One hotspots. However, if you can live with all the pensioners jokes, the Almera doesn't make a bad second-hand buy. First, the downsiders. It's cramped by class standards and rear room is particularly poor. Although the boot is a decent size, refinement is lousy too, with lots of road, wind and engine noise making its way into the cabin. The handling is reasonable, but while the ride can cope with smooth roads, its compressor soon disappears on rough surfaces. On the other hand, security is impressive and safety is good. With the Euro NCAP 4-star rating, the build quality is sound even on the original cars introduced in 2000, and all post-autumn 2002 facelift models come with a decent kit. If you see a large coupe snaking around the corner, you can be pretty sure it's not made up of punters eager to snap up a second-hand Nissan Almera. So still, low desirability means low prices. There are bargains to be had. The biggest engine, the 134 bhp 2.2-liter turbo diesel, promises 48.9 mpg, whereas at the other end of the scale, the small 97 bhp 1.5-liter should be good for 42.8 mpg. Having work carried out by Nissan main dealer need not to be too dear, because their hourly rates are about as cheap as they come. The work will be cheaper still at an independent garage, where the rates are very competitive for the class. Nissan, like most Japanese manufacturers, enjoys a well-earned reputation for reliability, so you can expect a used Almera to run and run. Pretty much all you need to look for is that the appropriate recall work has been carried out. There haven't been too many recalls to worry about, but there was a major one that affected the petrol engines, issued on January 29, 2002, and affecting cars built between March 2000 and the end of July 2001. It connected the engine, crankshaft and camshaft. If not rectified, it could cause engines to stall and, in the worst case scenario, prevent them from restarting. In June 2004, diesel engines built up to the end of 2002 were recalled to have possible crankshaft problems rectified, and all models built between December 2000 and 2001 September were called into dealers to fix a possible handbrake self-releasing problem. Later models came with only one engine, 97 bhp 1.5-liter petrol. However, there's plenty of choice if you go for an older model with fuel economy of 42.8 mpg. The 1.5 is particularly attractive if you spend most of your motoring life is in town, but the 1.8-liter petrol pulls better in the lower gears, although a long fifth gear means it's not all that flexible on the motorway. The diesel is a 2.3-liter direct injection turbo, and it comes in two versions, with 110 bhp or 134 bhp. The more powerful unit has noticeably better low-down performance, yet the weaker engine is perfectly okay. There was a facelift in late 2002, with all models getting air con, remote central looking electric from windows, and a CD player stretched to an SVE, and you get a leather trimmed steering wheel, alloy wheels, and an electric sunroof, but an SE with parking sensors, electric rear window, and climate control is all you really need. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.